Welcome! In front of me I have FITBIT Versa 4 and I'm gonna show you how to change the step goals on this watch. Before we start, if you want to change the goal for the steps on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the FITBIT application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the FITBIT application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app, you will see today page, and on it you will see steps. Tap on the steps. Here, tap on the more options icon to open the menu, and then tap on activity settings. And here we have daily activity, and on this list we have steps. Tap on steps, and right here we can adjust the step goal by tapping on the plus and minus button. And then we can tap on set goal to change it. And once you're done, go back to the today page, and we can check if the settings applied. So let's go to our watch. As you can see, the settings didn't apply. So what we need to do is to tap on the icon right here in the top left corner, tap on our Versa 4, and then sync the watch with our app. And once it's done syncing, it should be changed. As you can see, it changed. Okay, and that's how you change the step goal or goal steps goal on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.